Hi, my name is Dhan Balachand. I'm the CEO of Sulon Technologies, and I'm here to introduce the Sulon Q. The Sulon Q is a wireless headset that combines next generation technologies to do inside-out tracking on what's called a spatial processing unit, which is a chip that we've designed that allows us to see the world, understand the world 360 degrees all around the headset, and pull that information about that data about the environment, and as well as the virtualization of the environment, so that all the 3D information as well as the textures of the environment will bring all that data over a high-speed bus into an application processor. The Q is launching with the AMD's FX 8800P processor, and the processor does all of the content and mixing of the AR and VR together to create a mixed reality experience. A mixed reality experience is where you can actually combine the best of AR and VR together in a seamless experience where you can not only see something that's both AR and VR together, you can actually interact with it. You can overlay, you can subtract things, you can delete things, you can even completely change the environment. And because it's a wireless inside-out tracking headset, it's completely self-contained, all the computing is on the headset. I don't think there's actually going to be one killer app. This is a horizontal platform. The entire AR/VR industry itself is building a horizontally, vertically integrated platform. And that's able to solve a lot of our problems that we're struggling with today. We're actually 3D people solving 3D problems on 2D machines. And now we finally have the 3D machine, allowing us to have infinite possibilities. But it's very challenging to achieve this. In order for us to achieve this, we had to actually build our own chip that actually can do things at a very high frame rates to achieve the latency to be low enough for us to have a seamless, non-nauseating experience. The system does ship with gesture recognition, so you're able to compute and move around the user interface and the natural computing elements just with your hands, just like you would do in Minority Report. The human factors was a critical constraint that we were designing for. To make a fully contained wireless headset, it's not just about having the end-to-end solution with all of the nuances of integrating and making sure every little piece fits and performs well, and to make sure that the end, experience for the developers and the consumers is also optimized. The weight, the size, even to the point of the ergonomics, the wind flow, all this friction that will prevent people from wearing items. It's very important to design wearables that are both fashionable, but at the same time hits the human factors right on the bat. The Sulon Q sits at a level that's what I believe is far ahead of current market technology that's deployed. And it does this because it's actually scanning and detecting and tracking itself within the environment from the headset outwards. Like other headsets where the technology is what's called outside in, where they actually track the headset based on another camera or other sensors in the room, where they're affected by infrared light, the ambient lighting. One of the most important things we did was we made our Unity SDK, and in the future we'll have an Unreal SDK, and to quickly port over content that's already been developed for both VR and AR onto the headset, as well as backwards compatibility with existing content because it is running a full Windows 10 operating system. Our social media and our web pages will be updated very shortly, and there'll be a lot more information coming out about our headset as we move forward.